The need is real and it's current. It's being predicted that we'll need about 18,000 technicians in North America by the end of the decade. And Boeing's predicting an even larger number of about 700,000 techs needed worldwide in the next 20 years.
So I don't have to pay any student loans. I don't have any expenses to pay to CommuteAir. I'm getting paid to do work and build experience at the same time, which was really enticing and ultimately one of the reasons why I decided to come here.
I thought I would need a 4-year degree and to, expend my bank to nothing to get into this, and I didn't. And they put a lot of work into getting me to here, helped me get through this, and it's been awesome. I'm taking in so much knowledge, and I'm excited for the future.
I don't think that you have to have a specific wheelhouse when it comes to mechanics. Especially with this company, you do come to the program and the training, and I already did some time on the floor, and it was very hands-on. Everyone kind of explains things very well to you.
It's about a 30-month program, but you'll start in our training center for the first 6 to 8 weeks or so, hands-on training. Then you'll come to the hangar and you'll work on the aircraft with certified technicians.
Once you get into it, it's amazing. It's one of the most amazing things I've done. And I think this would definitely expand people on the will to want to do this. A lot of people wouldn't think they could be hands-on or like, oh, I'm not strong enough, I'm not smart enough. Until you do it, then you're like, wow, I am.
90% of it's hands-on, but we incorporate many different tools into our training program. From start to finish, they learn theory, the hands-on, they learn the different systems of the aircraft. For the first 6 weeks while they're here, they learn the documentation, they learn how to do the work, and then they go back to their base for 30 months of structured on-the-job training that is tracked. We have field trainers that help them through the program as well as working with their base leadership.
That's an awesome program. I just wish we had it when I came through because, these guys actually coming off the street and before they get their AMP, they're actually getting hands-on. They're pretty good mechanics. They're moving up pretty quick. They learn quick.
When we come down here, we're getting a generalized education, basically learning everything there is to know about aviation and airplanes. And I can use that knowledge for when I get home, when I start doing that hands-on work. I can apply the knowledge I learned at the training center for when I start to do my actual apprenticeship.
Once you get certified as an AMP, the earning potential is astronomical versus when you're starting in the industry.
I started, 25 years ago, and I can't see doing anything else. So once you get in it, you learn it, you love it.
The experience you gain here is incredible. It's valuable here if you stay. It's valuable if you decide to go to another carrier such as United.
From day one in AMP school, I really got the sense that I was where I was supposed to go. Every day I think about it, how I'm where I'm meant to be, so it really is a great feeling to feel like that.